Hey guys, welcome to What's Happening, our video newsletter. This is our second ever video newsletter, so I hope you guys like it. We're going to be exploring a few things that we came out with in June and looking forward to July. So I have a few things to share with you. The first one is a huge thank you to everybody who completed our video survey that we sent out a week or two ago. So we were asking about the possibility of doing a video sew-along in fall, and we got a lot of great responses. I read through every single one. I learned a lot from you guys. You guys are really looking forward to having a kind of a shorter sew-along, something that covers all the stuff that you want to know without going through every single step of the instructions. So we're really excited to put something together for you guys. The two patterns that you were most interested in for the sew-along would be the Audrey jacket and the Natalie blouse. So those are kind of a toss-up right now. We're gonna be thinking about what we wanna do there, and yeah, keep an eye on this space and on your email, and we'll let you know what we decide. So that's the first thing. The second thing I wanted to say is that we've got new patterns coming out in just a couple days and a new issue of Seamwork. So if you're a member of Seamwork, you can head over to the community and see a sneak peek. You get to see everything a couple days ahead of time, or you get to see the designs anyway. And you'll be able to read the issue on launch day, which is the 1st. So hope you enjoyed that. The other thing that we came out with this month is Seamwork Unlimited, which is our brand new program for anybody who doesn't want to deal with credits. Basically, Seamwork Unlimited gets you all the patterns you want. You can download them anytime. You can add them to your library, as many as you want, and of course get all the new patterns every single month. And you don't have any kinds of credits. It's just sort of unlimited. It's unlimited. So that's kind of what's been going on at Seamwork lately. In the next month, we're going to be opening up signups for Design Your Wardrobe for the fall. And if you don't know what Design Your Wardrobe is, it's this really fun kind of wardrobe building party that we do together. It's a course that you go through. It takes about 3 weeks, and you get to participate in the community and show everybody what you're planning to sew in the fall. And it's a very structured process, and it's a lot of fun. And if you wanted to get a head start on that, like I said, the signups open at the end of the month. So they open, I believe it's July 29th. So if you want to get a head start on that, you can actually download the style workshop. If you're a Seamwork member, you'll be able to find that in your downloads page. There should be a link to the style workshop, which is a really fun PDF that you can download that has 10 different exercises that help you define your style. So it's a really nice little preface and lead up to doing Design Your Wardrobe. And if you're not a Seamwork member, when you do sign up for Seamwork, you get that immediately. We'll send that to you as a bonus when you sign up. So go ahead and check it out. It's really, really fun, and I think it'll kind of get you in the mood to do some wardrobe planning. So that's it for our June What's Happening, and we will talk to you guys soon.